Start your day with a vibrant twist on a classic breakfast favorite. These fluffy avocado pancakes are not only a feast for the eyes, but also packed with wholesome goodness. They're the perfect way to add a pop of color and nutrition to your morning routine. Gather your simple, fresh ingredients for this delightful recipe. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, a sweet banana, your favorite plant-based milk, and some hearty oatmeal. The natural colors promise a truly fresh and delicious start to your day. Begin by combining the peeled banana and the chopped avocado in a food processor. Blending these together creates a smooth, creamy base that will give your pancakes their unique texture and vibrant hue. Finally, pour the beautiful green batter onto a preheated pan. Watch as it sizzles and transforms into a stack of perfectly fluffy, catching pancakes that are as fun to make as they are to eat.